Hi, how was your day?
Hi, it was good. How about yours?
You make my days brighter.
That's sweet. You do the same for me.
What do you like about us?
I love our laughter and how we understand each other.
Any favorite memories together?
Our first date will always be special to me.
How do you handle disagreements?
We talk it out calmly and find a solution.
Do you have any dreams for us?
I dream of a future filled with love and happiness,
What's the key to a strong relationship?
trust, communication, and always being there for each other.
Your support means a lot.
I'll always be here for you no matter what.
What's your favorite thing about me?
Your kindness and the way you make me feel loved.
Any plans for the weekend?
How about a cozy movie night at home?
You're my best friend too.
I feel the same way. We're a great team.
How do you keep the romance alive?
Small surprises and expressing our love regularly.
What's something you appreciate about us?
The growth and the journey we've had together.
Any advice for a lasting relationship?
Cherish the good times and support each other through the tough times.
I appreciate your patience.
Patience is part of love. We learn and grow together.
How do you make me feel special?
By showing you love in both words and actions.
What's your favorite way to spend time together?
Just being with you no matter what we do.
How did we meet again?
Fate brought us together, and I'm grateful for that.
How do you handle surprises?
I love surprises. They add excitement to our relationship.
Your smile makes my day.
Your smile brightens mine too.